Burawin. The estimated total land area of Burawin was 265.33 square kilometer. In Burawin involved from the word Burabon, which is mean spring. The name attributed to the town which can be explained natural because of the abundance of spring and several rivers. Burawin is the fountainhead of two big rivers, which is the Dagitan and the Marabong rivers, and other smaller one, the Ginaruna rivers, Malitubog rivers, and Hibuga rivers that passes through several neighboring towns. There was a time that a drought which dry up several water tributaries and forced the community to flock to a place called Buraburon, wherein a large and sustainable spring was located at the town people get their needs. During the course of the year, the name Buraburon means abundance of spring, underwent transmutation of the word Burawon and finally to Burawin. The earlier settlers. Clandestine diggings conducted by Antique hunters and verified by the Nation Museum archaeologists yield valuable artifact consisting of chinawares and burial jars. Some of the discoveries were Stone Age artifacts and implements. These antiques and artifacts were found on the patios of both sides of the Cagpulo-Olo Brook of Barangay Patag and Villarura, which were 16 kilometers southwest of the poblacion of Burawin. Similar artifacts were found in Barangay Pagudlan, which is 12 kilometers northeast from the Cagpulo-Olo Brook. The earlier diggings in the southwestern part of Poblacion and those in Barangay Tamboco and Armasin unearthed several previous antiques also. With the extensive presence of this artifact over the said areas, the past location of the earlier settlements in Burawin during the prehistoric era are indicated. The Spanish period. The earlier development of Burawin was take place in 1595 when Spanish Jesuit friars discovered the settlement of Burawin. Its community was used as their base in the Christianization of the central part of Leyte. Between the years 1609 to 1616, the original settlement was established in the one of the city of Libas, presently called now as Barangay Libas, which is called Armasin, meaning a trading place and at the same time a granary. With the perennial flooding of the area by a Ginaruna River and as recommended from the Jesuit missionaries, the community was transferred to a new site of the present Barangay Malabga due to the frequent attack of Moro pirates. The settlers relocated again to Lagiwan, a southern part barangay of the municipality which is meant a refuge place. With the presence of continued abundant yield of crops at the eastern part of the municipality, the people transferred to the plain of Tambuco. However, due to the severely long drought, the people forced to look for water and led to them to find some spring at the southern side of the present Poblacion. They prefer to have a settlement in the area. The settlement built a fortress-like structure, a resemblance of tower, near the Dagitan River, which is called the Kuta. Due to the perennial occurrence of flood and the Kuta, the town people prefer selected a town site of the elevated northern part of the present Poblacion, which from part of the town proper today. Thank